Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I will be showing you how I wash my brushes and what I use to wash my brushes. So I will be using the Dawn dish soap. So this is how I do it. I put a little bit on my palm. Ooh. Then I run it a little bit under the water. Then I get all the dirt out. I squeeze it up. Squeezing it. Just rubbing it on my palm. Squeezing. And then now I rinse it off. Make sure you get all the soap out. See, there's no more soap. So that's one. That's another one. This is a little harder, so I use this bar soap. I always make sure I use a bar soap. I'll list the name of this bar soap. It's really good. I use it for my, you see how it's coming out? All the dirt is coming out. And then I go back with the bar soap. That's how you wash your brushes. There it is. All clean. So now they are all cleaned, and I also spray some alcohol on them, and I'm going to leave them out like this to air dry. And also don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Bye.